everybody, this is Jen from Scrappy and Posh, and I am here today with a completely and totally impulsive, unnecessary birthday haul. Most of it's from Tuesday morning. Let's start with a couple things that aren't. I went to Joann's, and I wasn't impressed with what they had there. I got an extra silhouette blade that was on sale, and then some of these little knocker doohickey things, ring fasteners from Tim Holtz. That was all I got from Joann. So when you walk into a craft store and that's all you come out with. Having said that, I did that after I went to Tuesday morning and everything seemed extremely expensive. I stopped at Walmart and got some makeup brushes and some application brushes. I'm going to see if maybe it helps me with some paper piecing that I'm doing to distress the edges. I'm not sure. I'm not extremely happy the way that it's turning out now. So that's what I got from Walmart. And then Hobby Lobby, this is a while back, I got some silicone mold things and then some weathering master from Tamiya, and this is for my miniatures. I'm going to try and paint some miniatures. That should be interesting in itself. Let's see, I went to the dollar store and I got some tissue paper that was really cute, and then just some other miscellaneous stuff. A couple miniature things in there, but you guys aren't interested in that. What else? I think we're going to start with the Tuesday morning stuff, which is the completely impulsive and unnecessary stuff, considering I didn't even know they had one there. I went to drop my daughter off at the All Ohio State Fair band, and I was like, since I'm in a big city, I'm gonna go to Joann Fabrics. And I went to Joann Fabrics and there was a gigantic Tuesday morning next to it. It was very well maintained. So I went shopping. The Project Life is kind of going out, so I wanted to grab some more, even though I have tons of the Project Life core kits, and they were $6.99, as you can see. This is the Fine and Dandy kit. Show the back, you can kind of see the pictures. This one is called the Knick Knack Edition, and it's got some pinks, and I like the pink and the red together, and then some retro looking stuff. And let's see, I got the morning wedding kit, and I already have the Southern Wedding, so it looks like there's smuts on there, but that's okay. So this is kind of blacks, whites, pinks. It's like a little more I don't know, formal, but not real formal. I got the Dreamy Edition, which is in the old style. Lots of nice pinks and pastels. And one more kit. I got the Awesome Edition. And they had a few more that I didn't get, and I thought this was enough. There's the Awesome Edition. There's all the different items there. So those are the Project Life core kits I grabbed on sale. So if you haven't yet, they still have them. Go and grab them. And I got 2 of these Project Life albums, and I think they're a little bigger than the ones that I have on my shelf now. I'm going to check. But they're a black cloth, so if they are bigger and I don't want to use them for my stuff, I can use them as gifts. And then I got 3 6x6 paper pads. This one was $2.99. My Mind's Eye Wander, and it's like a camping collection, and I thought it was cute. You guys would be proud I refrained from buying any 12x12. They had the authentique, I don't know what this one's called. I think I have the 12x12 of this, and that was $2.99. I really like it. It's a travel theme. And then we have a Art C, and it was only $1.99. And it has these like different ledgers and graph papers and lined paper, and I thought it would be neat for journaling tags, to stick in a junk journal, etc. So that's all the paper I bought. I bought these 2 American Crafts, well, I guess this one American Craft and this one We Are Memory Keeper punch. This one does a banner with a little, it has 2 pieces. It has a banner and then this little scallop edge, and it comes with an alphabet too. Of course, you don't have to use the alphabet if you don't want. And then I got this it makes banners, the fishtail banners. So I thought that was kind of neat. We'll see how that works. There's different measurements and stuff on it. They had a pair of cut it up American Craft scissors, which I have never tried before, but you can always use a sharp pair of scissors. I got these fabric remnants, and I thought they were a neat group. They've got like this paisley color, like this wood grain, a gray with yellow mosaic, or it's not mosaic, patterns. This cool Paris, black and gray, and then the fleur-de-lis. And the panels are all 18 by 21, so they are more than big enough to make a journal cover out of. And they were only $3.99. I bought a few of antique gold and silver clips. I got 2 of each, and those are from Salvaged. They were $1.19 each. I bought some heavy plates for like drawer pulls, and they were $1.49 each for 4. They had this really cute steampunk skull ring, and it was on special. It was $1.99 plus I think 20 or 30% off. I have a Sizzix punch, and it was an additional 30 or 40% off, and it looks like a little shield. I thought that was neat. I got 2 packs of Tim Holtz pumpkins. I wish they would have had the skulls there, but they didn't. If anybody knows where I can find the skulls, let me know. Where you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for them. And those were $1.99. And then I got the Tim Holtz, it's like the stopwatch, or the, yeah, it's a stopwatch? Pocket watch frame for $4.99. And I got these binder clips from that Salvaged. I just got 1 of those. And then I got 3 different washi tape sets. I got the Gingham Farm from My Mind's Eye. I seen the paper that matches that. It's really pretty. I bought the only Tim Holtz they had. And that was $3.99, and then I actually had some of this in a swap and I really liked it, and this is American Crafts for $3.99 for those. And that's it. That was my completely impulsive and unnecessary birthday haul. So I hope all you guys enjoyed seeing the goods at American Crafts. If you have any questions, please ask, or not American Crafts, Tuesday mornings. And go see if a Tuesday morning near you, granted I had to drive an hour for this because I don't have a Tuesday morning around me, but yeah, see if they have any goods. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.